Okay, so he said he was gonna drive the A train, but he was sick, so I'm gonna replace him today. So I'm gonna set the destination lines to Point Lookout or something. Okay, there we go.
And clear moving north, please.
Okay, and off we go. Hee, I feel like breaking the train's door. Oh, look what I found, a little rock. I can surely do it. Now, I'm gonna walk between the characters. Visit little bee. Actually, I feel like doing it now.
And clear moving north, please.
Huh? Why can't I close the doors? I tried hitting the button so many times and it wouldn't even close. You know what? I'm gonna inspect it. Oh no.
Attention everyone, this train has to be taken out of service due to a door malfunction. So please wait for the next train.
Oh, are you kidding me right now? Always these door malfunctions. That's why new trains are better. Okay, so the closest yard near us is Point Lookout Yard. Okay, I need to find the inspector real quick. Okay, so one of my drivers told me that there's a door malfunction. So I need to fix it right away. Aha, I see it. The doors are jammed because of this small little rock. Okay, let's see if I have anything in my R42. Aha, I found it. I can use this one. This little thing. It's already been over 20 years old now. Alright, everything is done. Let's see if I can close the doors. Aha, it worked. Now time to finally go home, away from this awful job.